Hi, Miss Zoe. For our reading and writing stuff here today, I can't do a whole lot on here for you. So what basically I'm going to have you do is work with mom or dad at home, remembering that we're talking about alphabetical order. So today would be one of the last days that we would do putting the letters in the correct order, and then tomorrow and Friday we're going to get into putting words in the correct order, of alphabetical order that is. So examples like this, we'll probably review this a little bit tomorrow, and then we'll get into some words too. So maybe you could get your alphabet cards that you have and have somebody mix them up and have you put them in the correct order. So that would be something that you could do. Another thing that you can do during this time is, you should have gotten this game along in your packet of stuff the other day. So if you have a dice, or if you can just have something with numbers on it, you could play this game with mom or dad again, and you start here and just go on through. If you read the word correctly, you get to stay there. If you do not read the word correctly, then you have to go back. So it's that type of thing. Just practicing your CVC words. Remember, consonant, vowel, consonant. Make sure you're blending the sounds together to figure out those words. So that's basically what we'll be doing, we would have been doing if we were in school today. But also there'll be some activities to do on Seesaw with this kind of stuff. So just be practicing this. Practice your mini books, reading those to someone, and play the game with someone. Put your letters together in alphabetical order, stuff like that. It would be what would be your assignment today. So again, have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.